Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update, and today will be kind of the ultra-rare sunny day that we'll see throughout the week, so kind of soak it all in today because we do have some rain returning tonight as well as tomorrow, and it looks like that scattered rain chance is going to be sticking around for much of the upcoming week and into the weekend as well. We'll have a few days with lower rain chances, but overall the clouds and the rain going to be making several appearances over the next week or so. So for today, we'll be clear and cold through the morning. We'll probably see a few mid and upper level clouds by this afternoon ahead of that cold front, but it will be dry today, and with the south wind off the Gulf of Mexico, should have very enjoyable high temperatures that will wind up in the low to mid 60s. Very cold this morning though. We've fallen down into the 20s north of I-30. The rest of us will probably start out at or just below freezing once we get to sunrise this morning. So the air's pretty dry. You felt that with that kind of breezy wind Friday into Saturday. That pushed a lot of dry air into the region. So we're not seeing much fog. There's not a ton of frost out there, but you may want to give yourself just a few extra minutes to scrape the windshield this morning. But again, not as icy as some of the mornings we've had over the past few weeks. What's happening today, the south wind will eventually kick in once we get past sunrise. So you get that south wind off the Gulf, and that gives us those very nice conditions. And today will be no exception as we'll wind up in the low to mid 60s. So we'll be a few degrees warmer than yesterday. Overall, should be a very nice afternoon for us. High pressure in control for the time being, but that's quickly going to move off to the east, which is why we'll get that south wind off the Gulf. And with that high moving out, that does open the door for that next cold front to move in. You can see that front now kind of diving out of the Rockies and across the plains. Won't be a lot of rain with this front, but we are going to begin to pick up some of these rain showers by late tonight. So we'll take you through the next few days here on your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. All day, all morning sunshine, I should say, and we'll likely see a few clouds again this afternoon, this evening. But I think the rain will hold off until after sunset, and you can see that cold front kind of settling in here along I-30 late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Doesn't look like we'll see much in the way of thunderstorm activity, so that's a bit of good news as we're not expecting any kind of severe weather. And the front will likely stall out here south of I-20 on Tuesday and may stay just south of us on Wednesday as well before it kind of moves back to the north, and you'll see the rain chances increasing Thursday into Friday. So bottom line here, there won't be a ton of rain out there on Tuesday, but it will be out there. So again, this is just the beginning of what will be a wet weather pattern to begin the week. The big driver in the weather pattern here is going to be this area of low pressure out in the western United States that will kind of approach the Arklatex late this week. As it approaches us, it will actually lift that cold front back over us as a warm front. So we are expecting some scattered showers and storms Thursday as well as Friday. It looks like Friday, honestly, may be one of the rainiest days, at least of the work week. We may see a little bit of a break from the rain on Saturday, but then we get one more system here that will nudge another front through on Sunday and likely into Monday. We'll have to watch Monday of next week. The severe weather threat is very low through this week, but I think if we get that kind of stronger cold front early next week, if we see any severe weather over the next 7 days, then maybe with that system early next week. Look at the rainfall totals here. Again, Futurecast probably having a hard time getting dialed in at the moment here, but I think we'll probably average maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain over much of the region. There is the potential that we'll see some areas pick up maybe over 3 inches of rain, and that's kind of to be determined, at least where that heavier rain will set up. So make sure you're checking back for updates. We definitely have the potential to see some heavier rain late this week, and you can see on the 7-day forecast sunshine today and then kind of clouds and rain take over for the next 7 days. We may get a little bit of a break from the rain Wednesday and Saturday, but otherwise looking at some scattered showers Thursday, Friday, and also late in the upcoming weekend.